Welcome to my car and train channel. Today I want to present you this family game which is called the Mexican train, and I think it's completely appropriate to the car and train channel. So if you are with friends and family and you want to play, by the way, you see it's age 6 and plus. Basically it's like a domino game but with a train flavor. So as you can see in the box, you have all the dominoes, and I'm going to show you. Oopala, it's windy today, so let's protect the instruction. So you start with what could be called like a rotonda, and I've put that on a round table, but you can play that of course on any kind of table. So each player is going to draw the dominoes. Based on the number of players, you start with a different number of dominoes. And to start, you need to have a domino which is symmetrical. So let me try to find one. And you know, I am doing this unboxing in front of you. So you start with one, and then to continue, so you are going to build your trains. That's the beginning color for each player. So let's pretend if there are 4 players, you are going to build, you start like that in the 4 directions, you know. And I don't have enough of those that are open, but you understand that if we have 4 players, they are going to start the train. And then it becomes a domino game. The point is that if suddenly you cannot play anymore, you are going to put a locomotive on the domino. And the thing which is a little bit unique is that in the domino game, everybody is contributing to the master domino build. Here, you only build on your train. So that direction, so you imagine, you know, you are building as you can with the dominoes, etc., etc. But if at one time you cannot play anymore, then you put your locomotive. The locomotive allows the other player to put their dominoes on your train, which, as you can understand, they are going to continue to consume their dominoes both on their own and on yours. That gives them a second opportunity. And then there is a third opportunity to consume the dominoes, which is to build what is called the Mexican train. So when you have a domino like that and you cannot play, you can start a new train, and you can do that only with one. And then after, you are going to build the domino train, the Mexican train. So basically, you have 3 ways to consume the dominoes. Your own train, let's rewind. Your own train, somebody else's train when they are out of, they have no options, and the Mexican. And of course, the goal of the game is to get to 0 domino the first. So overall, it's like a domino game, but with the flavor of train. I can tell you, it's very entertaining. I would recommend to do one test with the group, and then after playing one time, everybody is familiar with the rules. You can have, you know, the cheat sheet next to you in case there is a question. But we played it yesterday, and we really had a very good time. So I am showing you the box again with all the details, the locomotives, the dominoes, and I recommend that you buy it. You know, it's very inexpensive. There is a link in the description below the video if you want to buy one. And all the comments, you know, your experience, the fun that you have, you are more than welcome to put them on this video. Thank you very much for watching. And I have other train-related games on my Car and Train channel.